friends. Good morning and welcome to the Quest for Excellence series hosted by Intellectus Consulting. It gives me a lot of pleasure and happiness to inform all of you that we are embarking on a new initiative from July onwards known as the Quest for Excellence series. As most of you would be aware, Intellectus Consulting has been passionately committed to furthering the cause of marketing excellence in the pharmaceutical industry through structured interventions like workshops, personalized coaching, webinars, blogs, and industry-sponsored forums. Come July, we are embarking on a new initiative known as the Quest for Excellence series. Season 1 kicks off in the first week of July. In this series, we will feature interviews with industry CEOs, managing directors, business heads, vice presidents, chief marketing officers, and senior leadership who will share their perspectives on what it takes to achieve the highest standards of excellence across certain key functional domains. And these domains include leadership excellence, marketing excellence, strategy excellence, brand building excellence, and commercial excellence. The objective of having this series is to enable all our industry colleagues who are actively engaged in the marketing and brand management and commercial function to learn from the chosen best people in the above fields or domains. It is a great opportunity for all of you to learn what it takes to be the best in the field, and that's our endeavor through the Quest for Excellence series. I fundamentally believe that there will be a lot of key takeaways and take-home learnings for all of you when we feature this series starting July. The interviews would be recorded and hosted on our Intellectus Consulting corporate website, as well as our own dedicated YouTube channel, as well as our home page on LinkedIn and other social media. I would sincerely urge each and every one of you to go through those videos and try and make some kind of learning from these videos. I believe there is a lot to learn and improve ourselves in terms of being effective marketing and commercial leaders. With this, I sign off and stay tuned, and we are very excited to be a part of this journey commencing in July. Thank you all and have a great day.